Storm Team 29 forecast.
And let's open up that weather window this half hour and take a look outside live at the crystal clear skies as viewed by our Carter Mountain weather camera looking towards Charlottesville and the Blue Ridge Mountains. Barely a cloud in the sky for today. It'll be blue and brisk. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Let's get you set up for your Sunday ahead for Charlottesville and Central Virginia. This is your first forecast. It'll be a B&B day, blue and brisk with those northeast breezes, blue skies, sunshine, temperatures rising slowly through the 30s this morning. 40s at midday, low to mid 50s by the end of the day with that northeasterly wind relaxing tonight. For the Shenandoah Valley, Harrisonburg, Stanton, Waynesboro, this is your first forecast. 20s in the freezer this morning and rebounding to about 40 at midday and barely 50 by the end of the afternoon with that northeast breeze also relaxing after sunset. Now we have a lot of spring flowers out here, especially now that we are in the springtime season. Check out our weather nature snapshot coming to us from the Crozet area, showing us Charles Peach Orchard is in full bloom. Now, thankfully, our early spring flowers like the crocus, the daffodils, and even the azaleas and the peach trees, they are hardy. They can withstand temperatures in the upper 20s and low 30s. It's when it drops into the low 20s and teens for several hours, that's when it can cause some damage. But thankfully, that is not expected tomorrow morning. Just temperatures are for a couple of hours near or a little bit below freezing. Keep those pictures coming. The easiest way to get them to us from your smart device is through the Storm Team 29 Weather app. So if you see it, snap it and send them our way. Now, yesterday we had a good soaking from Friday night into Saturday morning. Many areas picked up at least a half inch, inch and a half, even 2 inches of rainfall. Certainly beneficial to our lawns and our gardens, helping to extinguish some of the ongoing wildfires in those hot spots. Still some wildfires ongoing into portions of Page County and into eastern West Virginia. High pressure will keep us dry with that northeasterly wind flow, locking in somewhat to below average temperatures for a little while longer. But look at this powerhouse of a storm forming across the Plain States and the Rockies. This is our next weather player that will head our way, but not until the middle part of the week. And now an easterly wind flow on Monday will be light, and then the easterly wind will lock in some clouds on Tuesday, but we're staying dry until Wednesday and Thursday. That's our next best chance for some important rainfall, so it'll be beneficial, helping to put an end to that ongoing wildfire threat. It's good that we're going to get every few days some rainfall around here. In your Storm Team 29 report today, sunshine, blue skies, a northeast breeze with highs in the low to mid 50s, a few degrees below average for this time of the year. We're back in the frosty 20s and low 30s by tomorrow morning, so you'll need that winter coat in the morning and short sleeves in the afternoon with your sunglasses, with highs in the mid to upper 50s to the lower 60s, right on target for the end of March. Here's your 7-day forecast. 30s tomorrow night, mostly cloudy Tuesday, high of 60. Rainy conditions, off and on rain likely Wednesday and Thursday in the 50s. And then so far so good for Good Friday and for Easter weekend. Highs in the 60s and the lower 70s and staying dry. Destiny.
Thank you so much.